Oh, I got Eker with the Christmas hat and the periscope. Dude. Oh no, this is a basic flashlight, dude. I'm cooked. I got the level. The random code gave me
Who the fuck picked up a battery, bro? I heard that shit. Who's doing that?
Oh Jesus Christ.
Some guy named Nicola. Who's Nicola?
Bro, no, dude, whoever's doing that is the reason why we have no batteries. You guys are literally just snatching all that shit.
Hey!
Probably stabbing.
Stabbing, bro. Stabbing. Why are you selling those? It's like you, dude. Stabbers is like purposely selling, bro.
Over here.
No, the whole. I don't want it. That's the whole point. I'm trying to save it.
Over here.
No, he's gonna get
fucking wrecked. Is he AFK?
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna leave them to die. I'm tired of waiting.
He's right
Here!
here. Dude, Crimson and Zaka is fucking tough, bro.
Thank you.
So you can probably get away with Venus skin now that we have 5 players. Oh wait, no.
Oh, are we on 5? I thought another person joined.
They left.
Over here.
The Denali left?
No, Town is Denali.
Jin, don't worry, I'll caboose. Bro, retargeted so fast.
Watch out.
Watch out. I wonder what the traps look like. Dude, he probably spams traps around like clues. Oh, dude.
Over here!
It's probably trap hell. Because like the way it works is it checks how far away from a clue he is and then he just places it down. And because it's basically instant, it's like every 2 or 3 seconds he can just place another trap down. Huh?
Over here. The creature.
There's 2 transmitters right next to each other on the same shelf. Dude, my sanity's getting cooked.
Over
Exactly why I
here.
said about the Zulus too.
Something Z. So it's something ZP. You will chase Jin.
You go ahead.
Hello.
Hey!
Over here.
The creature is. Hey.
You go ahead.
Dude, I gotta go soon.
Over here.
I'm behind
Over
you.
here.
I'm behind you. I need help. You go ahead.
This actually feels easier, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. Because we have so many people to
Hey!
do different clues.
Two different
We gotta
groups of
find something to
clues.
balance it.
Cover me.
But how would we balance it? That's what I wonder. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm gonna die. I heard the breathing. I dropped a flashbang.
Hey!
She's gone. And run, Nikolai, run! I got it.
Oh, Denali woke up.
I heard something. Time to farm some experience.
Hello?
Hey!
I really hope that when I have to leave, I don't accidentally kick some people out. Fuck. He just teleported in front of
Over
me.
here.
I think we're safe.
Over here.
Over here.
Yeah.
Over here.
Dude, imagine like 7v1 with a super buff creature in proximity chat.
Here!
That would be interesting.
You go ahead.
This Denali's just having the time of their life in the middle of nowhere.
I gotta see.
I think I spooked the Denali because I ran up to them and they threw a glow stick at me.
The pool?
Denali? No. I don't think they know what they're doing.
Oh, go back.
You go ahead.
Oh, Denali's cooked.
Sorry.
Oh god.
Oh, they were on last grab too.
Over here.
Well, I led them to the chest
Over
alright,
here.
but they might not be able to open it.
Thank you.
We're gonna be at the pool.
Hey!
Hey!
Over here.
CP.
You have a 7v1 with uncapped endurance. How does
got
that
you.
sound?
Huh?
7v1 with uncapped endurance.
Over here.
So eventually it comes to a point where he just doesn't vanish. Morgul can finally get the buff he needs.
Let's go.
Let's go. Morgul, my beloved. I tried to make him work, and that one round I played with him where I got like a few grabs, I honestly cooked. I had a pretty good chance. Oh shit, I'm running out of time. Okay, I'm gonna rip the band-aid off. Hopefully I don't kick anybody out.
Wait, kick on. Oh, now we're gonna have the buff.
Over here.
Cover me.
Over here.
Or maybe it's because maybe that bug happens because we invite the person, and when we leave, the person we invited, because I invited him.
I see a trap.
Here!
Alright, well, I gotta go to work, so, maybe, I'll see, maybe we can do some, like, balancing for the higher player counts. I feel like the only reasonable balance for that is to add another killer. Maybe that'll be my next big project. I'll make, 2 killers. I'm gonna say it right now, I am not harmony patching it. I'm not doing that. That's too much work.
Yeah,
That is too much work. I want it. That would be so cool. But anyways, I gotta go.
Yeah, bye-bye.
I'm totally with that.
Nice gone.
Over here.
I need it. Oh, I need it. Anti-buff.
Cover me.
Oh, I'm joking.
I need it. Oh, bitch.
I think we are safe.
I see a trap.
Over here.
Let's see what's over here. Oh. Chasing me.
Over here!
Over here.
Over here.
I heard something.
Over here. Over here. creature.